Every production cycle begins here, inside the hatchery. In these climate-controlled barns, growth is carefully engineered. Not all birds. Interactive sampling reinforces consumer trust, allowing them to experience.
Premium duck meat delivers rich flavor and tenderness.
Every meal tells a story of quality, care, and satisfaction, connecting consumers worldwide with farm-fresh duck products.
As the sun rises over this high-tech duck farming complex, a precisely coordinates.
Nutrition is the foundation of productivity. Each batch of corn and soybean meal is tested, logged, and transferred into climate-controlled silos. Every production cycle begins here, inside the hatchery. Controlled heat, humidity, and rotation ensure optimal hatch rates. In these climate-controlled barns, growth is carefully engineered. Automated feeding and ventilation systems optimize weight gain and egg productivity.
From nesting area to collection belt, each egg is handled with remarkable precision.
Bullets. All eggs converge here, the central collection hub. Designed to minimize shock and contamination, this system ensures
Each egg undergoes a carefully calibrated washing process. Temperature-controlled water and sanitizing agents.
Advanced optical systems inspect every egg at high speed. Artificial intelligence detects microscopic cracks.
Weight grading ensures uniform packaging and market consistency. Precision sensors evaluate thousands of eggs per minute. After grading, eggs are carefully palletized and transferred to temperature-controlled storage. Maintaining maintenance. Cold storage preserves freshness and stabilizes internal egg quality. Every pallet is digitally tracked, ensuring convergence. Not all birds enter processing at once. Only ducks meeting precise weight and health criteria are selected.
Before processing begins, sanitation protocols are verified. Every surface must meet strict microbial standards. Final preparations take place here. Temperature, airflow, and timing are carefully controlled to maintain meat.
The processing line begins with a synchronized overhead conveyor system. Every movement is calibrated for efficiency, safety, and hygiene. Humane stunning ensures both animal welfare compliance and meat quality preservation. Parameters are digitally monitored.
Controlled bleeding is essential for meat quality and safety. Timed precisely, this stage ensures proper
Scalding softens feather follicles for efficient removal. Temperature and immersion time are precisely calibrated. Too high damages skin, too low reduces processing efficiency. In seconds, high-speed mechanical drums remove feathers with remarkable precision. Continuous water flow keeps
Every component is categorized for optimal utilization. Edible organs are preserved for packaging.
High-pressure washing eliminates residual contaminants. Water temperature and pressure are strictly regulated to meet international food safety standards. Rapid chilling reduces internal temperature quickly, locking in freshness while minimizing bacterial growth. Air chilling stabilizes product temperature while preserving natural texture. Controlled humidity prevents excessive moisture loss.
The count for the medium line is accurate. We can increase the throughput.
Computer-guided cutting systems deliver uniform portions with minimal waste. Laser alignment ensures every cut meets precise commercial specifications.
Vacuum sealing and modified atmosphere packaging extend shelf life while preserving freshness.
Each package receives a unique batch code and full traceability label. From farm to factory to retail shelf.
After packaging, products enter controlled cold storage. Automated inventory systems maintain precise temperatures. Robotic pallet ensure efficient stacking while minimizing human handling. Each load is calculated for
Maintaining the cold chain during transportation is critical. Refrigerated trailers preserve product integrity from factory to regional distribution centers.
Strict documentation ensures compliance with international food safety regulations. Every shipment carries full traceability and certification approval.
From carefully managed farms to advanced processing facilities and temperature-controlled logistics, premium duck products reach. Each egg passes through optical grading systems, ensuring only the highest quality eggs proceed.
After washing, eggs pass through drying and UV sanitization. This final hygiene step guarantees.
Check the alignment on pallet 3. Looks good. Moving to the AGV now.
Precision trimming removes excess fat while maintaining prime meat quality. Every portion is weighed and inspected to ensure consistent standards.
Gentle tumbling infuses flavors deeply and evenly. This step enhances taste while preserving texture and moisture within each portion.
Pre-cooking with controlled steam ensures a safe temperature rise while locking in moisture, preparing portions for rapid chilling or vacuum packaging. Rapid chilling preserves quality, texture, and safety of pre-cooked portions. Products are now ready for vacuum sealing or further packaging for distribution. Vacuum sealing removes air to extend shelf life while protecting texture and flavor. Modified atmosphere ensures premium quality throughout distribution. Glazing or protective coating preserves moisture and enhances appearance. This final touch ensures each portion reaches consumers in premium condition.
Robotic palletizers optimize space, reduce human handling, and maintain product integrity for storage and transport.
Final storage and shipping preparation maintain strict cold chain standards. Every pallet is ready for distribution, ensuring
Gourmet ready-to-cook packages are carefully sealed and labeled, maintaining flavor, freshness, and traceability for high-end retailers and export.
export cartoning and palletization maximize space efficiency while ensuring product integrity for international transport.
Refrigerated trucks maintain the cold chain from facility to global markets, ensuring premium duck products arrive fresh, safe, and ready to enjoy.
To ensure only the highest quality eggs and meat enter the production line.
Metal detectors ensure packaged portions are free from foreign contaminants, maintaining product safety and consumer confidence.
X-ray inspection complements metal detection, identifying any hidden objects to guarantee product safety before reaching consumers.
Blast freezing rapidly locks in freshness, preserving texture and flavor while ensuring long shelf life for global distribution. Advanced cold chain monitoring ensures every package stay within precise temperature ranges, guaranteeing freshness from warehouse to consumer.
Refrigerated loading docks maintain the integrity of frozen duck products, ensuring cold chain preservation during international transit. Consumer trays are assembled with precision, ensuring each portion is perfectly presented and ready for retail shelves.
It's fresh and visually attractive. Retail labeling ensures full traceability and informs consumers about ingredients, nutrition, and batch origin.
Carton packaging ensures consumer-ready presentation while protecting products during transport and display.
The entire factory operates in perfect harmony, with automated systems ensuring millions of duck products move efficiently through every stage.
Check the load weight on this pallet.
Looks good. We're ahead of schedule.
Multiple production lines operate in unison, achieving industrial-scale output without compromising quality or safety. Automated seasoning ensures every portion is evenly coated with herbs and spices, delivering consistent flavor for gourmet standards.
Glazing adds premium shine and flavor, enhancing visual appeal and taste for consumer-ready portions. Specialty smoked duck portions receive precise, controlled smoke infusion, producing a rich aroma and gourmet flavor.
Secondary processing completes with gourmet-ready portions, perfectly seasoned, glazed, and smoked, ready for final packaging and retail distribution.
Precision tray alignment ensures every gourmet portion is perfectly presented, ready for sealing and consumer display. Automated seal inspection guarantees airtight protection, preserving freshness and quality until the consumer opens the package.
Final quality checks ensure every specialty portion meets strict standards for appearance, weight, and freshness.
Boxing specialty portions completes the process, delivering gourmet quality duck products ready for distribution and retail display.
Robotic palletizing efficiently stacks boxes, ensuring stability and accuracy while reducing human workload and maintaining hygiene.
Organized warehouse stacking ensures safe storage and easy retrieval while maintaining optimal cold chain conditions.
Continuous temperature monitoring guarantees that all duck products remain within strict cold chain parameters for maximum freshness.
Pallets are securely wrapped and labeled, ready for safe transport while preserving product integrity and traceability.
Refrigerated trucks ensure the duck products maintain peak freshness as they leave the facility for national and international distribution.
Refrigerated containers are loaded with precision, ensuring duck products maintain freshness during international transport.
Trucks equipped with GPS tracking ensure every shipment can be monitored in real time, maintaining full control over delivery schedules. Final delivery ensures that premium duck products reach retail partners efficiently, maintaining freshness, safety, and full traceability for consumers.
Carefully stocked refrigerated displays ensure duck products are immediately accessible while maintaining optimal freshness for consumers.
Accurate shelf labeling guarantees traceability and informs consumers about freshness and product origin.
Consumers interact with the products directly, appreciating the hygiene, packaging, and freshness guaranteed by industrial precision.
Interactive sampling reinforces consumer trust, allowing them to experience the premium quality and flavor of duck products firsthand.
From farm to retail shelf, every step of the duck production journey ensures consistent freshness, premium quality, and consumer satisfaction. Advanced metal detection prevents contamination, safeguarding consumer health and maintaining product integrity.
Traceability systems record every detail from farm to retail, ensuring full accountability and consumer confidence.
Final laboratory certification confirms that every batch meets the highest standards of safety, hygiene, and quality before reaching consumers. Secondary carton packaging ensures safe handling during transport while maintaining presentation and product integrity for retail.
Pallet formation prepares cartons for safe handling and efficient transport, maintaining quality during long-distance shipping.
Stretch-wrapped pallets are secured for transport, protecting products from contamination and movement during distribution. This final showcase illustrates the complete journey, delivering millions of duck eggs and premium duck meat from farm to
Check the parameters on the duck samples.
Looks consistent with the previous run, but keep monitoring the growth.
Chemical verification confirms nutritional consistency and ensures every product meets exacting quality specifications.
Final packaging audits guarantee accuracy, integrity, and compliance before products leave the facility for shipment.
The inventory count on line 3 is off by 2.
I'll rescan the pallet.
Continuous cold chain monitoring ensures every shipment remains within strict temperature parameters from farm to retailer.
Real-time logistics tracking allows precise monitoring of product location and environmental conditions throughout transit.
Organized cold storage and accurate inventory management guarantee freshness, enabling timely distribution to retail partners. Refrigerated delivery ensures duck products arrive at retail destinations safely, preserving freshness and quality for consumers.
Maintaining strict temperature control at retail ensures that duck eggs and meat retain their premium quality before reaching consumers.
Careful shelf stocking and appealing presentation enhance visibility, ensuring consumers can easily select premium duck products.
Interactive labeling and clear product information empower consumers to make informed choices while ensuring trust in quality. Every purchase marks the final step in the journey from modern duck farm to consumer table, delivering freshness, safety, and premium quality. Premium duck meat delivers rich flavor and tenderness, a direct result of careful processing, chilling, and handling from farm to kitchen.
Duck eggs provide superior richness and texture, enhancing every dish from omelets to gourmet recipes.
Carefully prepared duck products culminate in visually stunning, nutritious meals that showcase their premium quality and flavor. From farm to fork, the journey of duck eggs and meat culminates in nutritious, flavorful meals that bring families together. Every production stage, from grading to packaging, is carefully monitored to maintain consistent quality and hygiene standards. Temperature-controlled storage ensures that duck eggs and meat maintain peak freshness before leaving the facility.
Strategically managed shipping docks ensure timely dispatch while preserving the integrity and freshness of all products.
Premium duck products are carefully prepared for international shipment, ensuring freshness and quality reach customers around the world. From industrial production to home kitchens worldwide, premium duck products inspire culinary creativity and family enjoyment.
Industrial precision and careful handling translate into gourmet experiences, making duck products a versatile ingredient for every cuisine.
As the day concludes, every step of the journey, from modern duck farm to global tables, is premium duck products bring families together, transforming farm-to-table quality into shared moments of joy and nutrition.
From industrial precision to gourmet presentation, duck products inspire chefs to craft visually stunning and flavorful dishes.
Every meal tells a story of quality, care, and satisfaction, connecting consumers worldwide with farm-fresh duck products.
This journey from modern duck farms to kitchens worldwide